Look at the stress fractures around the neck assembly.
It's worse than we thought. We need the heavy lift cranes immediately.
Steady!
Welding in the auxiliary port now. Clear the area.
Down. Secure the lines. Secured.
Start the weld.
We should try to access it through this panel right here.
Hold on, we need to deal with these primary cables first. It's too dangerous otherwise.
All right, let's secure the cables then.
Initiating power sequence on Sector 4.
We have stabilization. Power levels nominal.
Weld that seam again, reinforce the plating. Copy that. Initiating sequence.
That coupling is loose. Mark it for immediate reinforcement.
Copy that. Applying stabilization weld now.
Look at that plating. Solid work.
Ready for calibration. Calibration.
She's clear of the ground. Take it up and bring it back.
The foot structure is secure. Good work on the weld, it should hold stabilization.
Set the stabilizers down right there. Watch the clearance on the leg.
The weld integrity on this plating looks solid.
Confirmed. The joint is secure. We can authorize activation sequence.
The resonance levels are fluctuating outside acceptable parameters here.
Rerouting the power flow should compensate. Look at the projection.
This is the trouble spot right here. We need to tighten that gear clearance.
Understood. Getting the wrench now.
The resonance levels are fluctuating outside acceptable parameters here.
Rerouting the power flow should compensate. Look at the projection.
I think that's got it.
Let's check the seal. Tightening this one now. Check the alignment on this axis.
Line up the right shoulder armor. Slow and steady. Engage the welding unit. Keep pulling. It's almost here. Secure the cables. Watch the clearance. Get it in place. Secure that clamp tight. Watch the cable tension. Power up the welding unit. Side 3 connected. Receiving power now. Watch the door. Pull. Keep it tight. Oh, almost there. Careful with that dry bone. Keep it steady. Connect the port. Alignment is good. Power levels rising. Status green. Initiating charge sequence. Tightening. Check alignment. Verified. Keep it steady. Down a little more. Easy now. Bring it in. Slow, slow. That's it. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Locking sequence initiated. Engage seals. Keep rotating. Move it just a fraction. There. Lock. Check the seam here. Secure the primary cables. Ready the welding rig. Check the hydraulic pressure. Maintain the seal. Line it up. Ready the pins. Engage the hydraulics. It's in. Secure the joint. Locked. All systems green. Releasing tension. Stay clear of the arm. Initiating rotation and lift sequence. Keep it steady. Down just a little more. Easy now. Hold it right there. Hold. Left a little. Easy, easy. Down. Stop. Stop it there. Locked. Good. Engaging locks. Cable 1 secure. Checking connection status. Green light. Good to go. Engaging power. Engaging systems. It's alive. Status report. Line it up. Steady, steady. Sparks. Adjust angle. Check the socket. Tighten the clamps. Roger that. Initiating weld sequence. Hold it there. Steady. Lowering now. Watch your hand. Just a bit more to the right. Hold the line. Just a few more inches. Easy, easy. Watch your foot. Guide plate 7 into slot now. Keep it steady. Slowly. Little to the left. Lock it in. Secure. We're good. The shoulder plates are secure. Excellent. Fire it. Fire it up. Hydraulics engaging. Monitor the pressure levels. Readings are stable. Proceed with flex test. Status check. Systems are green. Confirming power levels. Initiating core activation sequence.
It's magnificent. An engineering masterpiece. It's alive. Operational.